Hi, it's me again with Corel Raw Tips and Tricks, and I just did a video about align and distribute with some boxes, and I started thinking while that video is loading, you could do this. So these are 1/2 inch off this box. You could grab these, and when the original we had 4, blend tool is going to make them perfectly spaced out between each other. Now, like I said in the first video, it's a different space because we're not working with a perfect any number of boxes is 16 inches. So you could use the blend tool. The only disadvantage in the blend tool, this is now a blend. So you have to go to break blend apart, and then you actually have to ungroup it if you want to do anything with them. But the blend tool will do the same thing, kind of like align and distribute. And what's kind of nice about it, you could go, well, I only wanted 3 blocks. So you could change that down to 3 and apply. Now you've got 3 boxes that are same thing, the same distance apart. And you could do, just 2 boxes in the middle. And every box is going to be exactly the same distance apart. Like that is 2.69, 2.69, 2.69. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.